Hello everyone, my name is Purushottam Kumar. I'm a first year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21IM10021. My section is 14. In the third DIY assignment, I'll be deassembling and assembling a vacuum cleaner. So let's get started. You can see I've opened the vacuum cleaner. I could not completely detach the lid because the extensive wiring present over here which is connecting the motor to the ignition part, and this is the regulator right over here which varies the speed of the motor. So let me run through the parts of this vacuum cleaner. First, right over here we have the dust collector bag. So this is through an extension sucks the dust outside, and we have this wiring extension cord right over here. So you have that this is our power source right for this vacuum cleaner. So this is quite a long for obvious reason present in the vacuum cleaner. By this we unwind the wire back. So, and the main component which you see is the motor right over here, which creates suction or vacuum. At this component you see this component right over here. There is where the suction is created. The bag which is directly attached to, I won't say attached because it is present right over here. So the suction creates that is created in the bag through an extension because there is a lot of pressure difference. So the dust naturally gets into the lower pressure area, the higher pressure area works. This is where the mechanism is of the vacuum cleaner works. So right over here is the ignition or the power start of this vacuum cleaner. This I told earlier as which is defined as the speed of the vacuum cleaner. So if I close the lid, you can see I would like to show you. Yeah, this is the power button. This is the regulator for the speed which goes from maximum to minimum. Now this is the external switch. I'll open right over here. This switch presses this button right over here which pulls the extension cord back into its coil. So this was the component of the vacuum cleaner, and now I'll be reassembling it again. have assembled the vacuum cleaner again, and now I'm going to show you how apply this extension cord to the vacuum cleaner, and this has been done. Now I'm going to show you as well that this is working fine. It is in fine condition. So I'm just going to show you. You can see this is working perfectly fine. So this is it. It is completely working fine. So this was my DIY project assignment 3. Thank you very much, and I hope you liked the video.